Are you considering upgrading your home heating system? Or maybe you're simply looking to enhance your current setup? Well, you might have heard of DEFRA approved stoves, but wondered, what exactly are DEFRA approved stoves, and why would I consider installing one in my home? Well, let me tell you. DEFRA stands for Department of Environmental, Food and Rural Affairs, a government department focusing on environmental and agricultural issues. DEFRA-approved stoves meet ultra-low emission levels, ensuring cleaner waste products. At Stove Supermarkets, we have an array of top-quality DEFRA-approved stoves. Let's take a look at our top 5 favourites. From the Portway Arundel to the ACR Tenbury T400, our selection offers something for everyone. Why choose a DEFRA stove, you ask? First, legal compliance. Living in a smoke-controlled area? Using an uncertified stove could lead to fines. DEFRA stoves ensure compliance. Health, air quality and cost-effectiveness. DEFRA stoves reduce emissions, improving air quality and offering potential cost savings through efficient burning. By choosing a DEFRA stove, you are making a significant impact on reducing carbon emissions, promoting sustainable heating practices for a greener future. In conclusion, DEFRA stoves are a fantastic choice for homeowners seeking the warmth and benefits of a wood-burning stove, while prioritising the environment and complying with regulations. For more information, contact our stove experts today.